in Ibiza is the capital of electronic music. I think you could not ask for more to learn in such environment.
Driving over here, you're in a magical place. You're in Ibiza.
I'm delighted that we've teamed up with Cam Blau, and we're actually running our courses from this very iconic school here in the middle of Ibiza. It's very exciting.
Der Kurs ist neu auf der Insel. Für mich ist es perfekte Umgebung. Die Gruppe, die wundervolle Landschaft hier, abends die Möglichkeit auszugehen. Perfekte Kombination.
You never know who you're going to meet. You never know what you're going to learn. I had no idea I was going to come here and learn.
The course itself is just really dynamic. It's just like a really good combination of learning and fun, so I've had a great time.
The teachers have been very helpful and guiding us on to be more creative when in relation to create and DJ.
I love the staff at the school, the Spanish staff and the staff from Point Blank.
Creemos que es un entorno maravilloso para venir y practicar esa pasión que es la música y poder disfrutar de estas instalaciones, de este tiempo que casi todo el año lo tenemos.
So you take all that magic, you take that inspiration, and you put it into what you do, whether it's creating beats or creating a mix.
I've been out quite a bit and my skills have improved so much, so yeah, I'm just taking it to the next level.
Just that I've had an amazing time and I recommend it to everyone.
Every day, another experience. It's life-changing. It's the highlight of my life.